In this video, you can learn how to check the time you spent watching videos on YouTube, how to set the settings for Remind Me to take a break and Remind Me when it's bedtime, which are tools that can manage the time you spend on YouTube, as well as auto-play next video. About how to turn the option on or off. Then watch the video until the end. First, open the YouTube app, then click on your YouTube channel logo on the top right corner. Now you can watch this way. After that, click on Time Watched. When you click on it, you can see a graph like this and the time you have spent on YouTube. You can see the time you have used YouTube today and the time you have used YouTube in the last 7 days. So below that you can see some settings related to tools to manage your YouTube time. The first one is click on Remind Me to take a break, and by turning it on you can choose the time you want to get a reminder. Using the second setting, you can get a reminder at bedtime. You can set the time by clicking on it. If you use the first option, when my phone's bedtime mode is on, it will work according to your phone's bedtime mode setting. The second option is use custom. You can set the schedule so that you get a reminder at a time you like. By clicking on Wait until I finish my video to show the reminder below and turning on the OK sign, you can make it so that you get the reminder after you finish watching the video. You can see below that, the auto-play on-off option, you can use it. You can set whether to automatically go to the next video at the end of a video or not. So I think you understand what I told you, so this video is important for you. If so, please like the video, share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day.